This video will go over how to make an appointment with Career Services in Handshake. Career Services offers in-person and virtual appointments to support you in every step of your career journey, from discussing major and career exploration to resume help to mock interviews. After logging into Handshake, click Career Center in the left-hand menu. Here you will see information about career services at the University of Alaska, including the different career centers, resources, and upcoming events. To make an appointment, click Appointments. Here you can see any past or upcoming appointments you may have. Click Schedule a new appointment. Then, click the appointment category that best describes what kind of support you are looking for. Next, read through the descriptions of each type and select the kind of appointment you would like to make. If none of them sound right for you, you can always click the back button in your browser and select a different category. After selecting the appointment type, you will see a calendar menu with upcoming times available. If the days along the top say Appointments Available, you can click into that day to see the available times. Use the arrows to find a day that works for you. After picking a date and time that works for your schedule, select the appointment medium, or how you would like to meet. Any appointment can be either in person or virtual. Then, type out a description of what sort of help you are looking for through this appointment. Continue filling out the required information. We ask for your phone number and your primary campus where you are taking classes this semester. If you are making an appointment to go over a resume, cover letter, or graduate school application, we ask that you please send a draft of any of those items to our UAA_career@alaska.edu email prior to your appointment. If this doesn't apply to your appointment type, select this option. We also ask that you send a link or provide a job description to any jobs you are applying to the UAA_career@alaska.edu email as well. Finally, click Request. You will see a check mark saying appointment was successfully requested. Make sure to double check for when you made the appointment and put it in your calendar. Don't forget to send any required documents to our UAA_career@alaska.edu email. If you need to cancel the appointment, you can click Cancel Appointment here, or go back to your upcoming appointments and click into the appointment there. We look forward to seeing you for your appointment. Career Services is located in the University Hub on the bottom floor of the Student Union. Watch our other videos in this playlist to learn about using Handshake to search for jobs, events, and career fairs, as well as how to update your Handshake profile.